Let's explore what you can accomplish with this port channel creation procedure.
What's the main objective here?
You'll update the L2 table sheet in the device file to create a port channel, as shown in this L2 configuration diagram.
I can see the before and after states. It transforms the network topology quite significantly.
The first step is generating the device port management table.
How do we get started with that?
Simply export the device file by referring to the to/for exporting device files procedure with commentary.
That sounds straightforward enough.
Now we'll update the L2 table sheet for port channel configuration.
What exactly needs to be modified?
In the L2 table sheet, locate the row for your target device and physical port. Then enter the port channel name in the virtual port name column.
I notice the virtual interface mode automatically changes to L3, and there's a specific naming convention to follow with spaces between port type and number.
For L2 mode port channels, there's an additional step required.
What makes this different from the previous configuration?
By entering an L2 segment name that you want to connect the port channel to, the system automatically changes the virtual interface mode to L2.
So the segment assignment determines whether it operates in L2 or L3 mode.
Next comes the synchronization of update information using Network Sketcher DX.
How does this synchronization process work?
First, drag and drop the updated device file to the main panel, then drag the master file into Update to the Master File section.
I see that the original master data gets backed up automatically with a timestamp. That's a nice safety feature.
Finally, we confirm the L2 configuration diagram to verify our changes.
How can we validate that everything was configured correctly?
Generate an L2 configuration diagram using the 2-2 generation of L2 diagram procedure and confirm the changes are properly reflected.
The comparison shows both L3 mode and L2 mode port channel configurations, perfect for verification.
For reference, here's a detailed explanation of the L2 table sheet structure.
This shows all the key columns we've been working with: device name, physical ports, virtual ports, and L2 segments.
Notice how the table provides flexibility for both L2 and L3 configurations, depending on your network requirements.
This reference will be helpful when configuring more complex port channel scenarios.